Hello viewers, this is a video about how to download research articles. There are multiple resources for downloading research articles from any field. Particularly for life sciences and some other subjects, we use a website called Science Direct. So I'm just logging into the home page. You can just enter Science Direct in Google search and the first link takes you to the sciencedirect.com. This is the home page of Science Direct. And here you can see multiple fields like keywords, author name, journal or book title, volume number, issue, page number, etc. So this is the basic search page where these are the fields. So we can just enter the keyword of which subject we have to search, or if we are familiar with the author name or if we are looking for a particular author, we can just enter the author's name and we can just hit search. So let's try one with the keyword. So this lists already searched keywords, and now we'll search some documents or some research articles based on polycystic ovarian syndrome and hit search. So these are the number of results which we get for PCOS, which is polycystic ovarian syndrome. So we have got nearly 71,000 results. So we can further refine the results based on the year, the type of article which we want, and the publication title and the subject areas. So subject areas can be like biochemistry, medicine, or we can further narrow down our search. So that is why we can use the refine option. So we can search the recent articles or the previous articles based on the year of publication. So for example, I am clicking to 2022. So here the results are 2000. So from 71,000 we have reduced it to 2000. So it will be even more easier for us to search. And if we are writing a review article or something, we may require data or paper from a particular decade or a past 5 years like that. So we can choose based on that. So you can choose the last 5 years and then the results will come accordingly. And then we can download our article of interest. So we can just click on this article and we can download the PDF. So first we can just look into the abstract or highlights of the article and we can choose whether it is suitable for us or not. So this is the very basic criteria of choosing a research article. So when we just go through the highlights or the abstract of an article, we can get to know whether the necessary points or the thing which we are looking for is present in it or not. So we can just skip this or we can just download. So you can also view PDF and also you can download the research articles. So this panel shows the contents of the particular paper. So you can look, you have the highlights, abstracts, keyword, introduction, methodology, results, discussion and all. And also you can get the access of preprint here. So this is the simplest way of downloading a research article. So you need not browse or you need not go through some other sources. So this Science Direct is a very authentic source of research journals. So most of the medical and life science oriented papers will be available in Science Direct website. So you can just register or log in with our credentials and also we can access the research articles. And one more thing, I'll just add on how to cite papers in a Google Scholar. So Google Scholar is also a database where you can have multiple research articles. So this is the homepage of Google Scholar. Google Scholar is a more large database compared to Science Direct because it doesn't have any restrictions. So all sorts of publications will be published in Google Scholar, not only peer-reviewed journals, even some local journals also get published in Google Scholar. So it is a very huge database and it contains all interdisciplinary articles also. It is not particularly confined to life science or medical related journals. So it is a very large database where you can access interdisciplinary journals also. So Google Scholar is the most simplest product of Google where we can access research articles. And also here you can use different citation methods. Here also we have multiple options for refining the search. Like we can choose the number of which year it has been published, whether it is free or it is a paid one, or whether it is accessible or not, only the abstract is available, or what kind of paper is available, we can just access through Google Scholar. For citation and referencing purposes, we used to create bibliographical references for the thesis or for some research articles. So we usually use EndNote or Mendeley or some kind of referencing tools. But for a simpler task, we can use Google Scholar also. Here, the articles can be cited easily directly by clicking the Google link. So here also I'm just entering the PCOS so that you can get number of articles. So you can just paste the paper title which we want to cite. So here you can see a double quote mark which shows cite. So if you click on it, you can just see the different formats of references available. So you can choose the format of interest or which the journal demands, which format the journal demands, like MLA or APA or Chicago. So we can just click on this and this will just copy, it will get copied to the clipboard. So you can just paste it on our paper. So this is the most easiest way of citing a paper. So we can just copy the text of the desired referencing format. So this is all about the paper downloading and citation. Thank you.